Welcome back, everybody. Bearded Griller. Today we're going to do a Shou Sugi Ban test panel. I'm going to try a couple different methods here and figure out what I want to do. I plan on using this on one of my next big projects coming up, so be on the lookout for that. If you'll notice, the one closest to you, I'm going darker, lighter, and then lightest towards the outside. Shou Sugi Ban's a method where you burn the wood and then scrape it off with a wire brush. You can use a wire brush, a plastic brush, any way you want, basically, just to scrape it off. And how much you scrape off and how much you burn it is how you dictate the amount of color and depth you get. It's really important that as you do this, you go the direction of the grain. If you don't, you'll end up with some weird circular tooling marks or crosshatch marks in the char, and it just doesn't look very great in the finished product. Today I'm using Spirit Stains rainbow colors from 518 Wood Stylings. These are a really cool stain. They're alcohol based, so they dry super fast. You can mix them in the jar or in a cup, and also on the product itself to make different colors. I attempted to do that between the layers here, where you'll see towards the end. So from left to right we have dark, medium, light. In the back we're using blue, in the middle will be yellow, and the front will be red. As you can see, I'm overlapping the colors a little bit. I didn't want them to mix in too much as far as the grain, but like I said, with this being alcohol based, it soaks in super fast. Still pretty cool. I'm just going to hit it with some fast drying quick poly and see what it looks like with a finish on it. I ended up doing 2 coats of poly. After burning it, that wood just soaked it up. It looks really good though with 2 coats. As you can see here, really cool contrast between the different gradients on how you burn the wood, and then you can see the edges where the colors blend together. The blue on the super dark looks kind of green. I do like the yellow with the medium burn. I like the blue with the light burn, and I think my favorite is probably going to be that red with the medium burn in the top. So I'm going to take this out in the sun, look at it a little bit more, poll the audience, and figure out what I want to use on my next project. I just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, see what's coming next, and I'll see you next time.